1 2 1 2.
Funckshaun.
Another one of those. Head bopping, speaker bumping. Sit back and ride out. Roll one if you got one. It's just chill out trap. All I need is a blunt, a fly ass beat. I bring the heat, smoke the track like high grade trees. Contact with your brain, synapse on free. Funckshaun on the mic, the F-U-N-C. All I need is a blunt, a fly ass beat. I bring the heat, smoke the track like high grade trees. Contact with your brain, synapse on free. Funckshaun on the mic, the F-U-N-C. My mind detonate, make temperatures excel. Bombshell, leave scrap nail with skeletons at close range. Dissolve human beings in frames. Push back the earth crust like ocean tidal waves. And break buildings, knock mountaintops off the range. Power for Dr. Strange, tight force from the brain. Reanimate dead, decaying flesh from the grave. Cyborgs made with body parts from the morgue. Ransack your Winnebagos and party crashing chords. Evil residents snatch lungs like presidents. Funckshaun, top scientists create tents. Cracking matrix, I'm like Neo combined with Morpheus. The energized glow, the aura is so glorious. These devils can't take the sting, it's like scorpions. Vampires in the sunlight, the flow scorching them. My son whack them seeds like food that got pork in them. All I need is a blunt, a fly ass beat. I bring the heat, smoke the track like high grade trees. Contact with your brain, synapse on feed. Funckshaun on the mic, the F-U-N-C. All I need is a blunt, a fly ass beat. I bring the heat, smoke the track like high grade trees. Contact with your brain, synapse on feed. Funckshaun on the mic, the F-U-N-C. Yo, get your favorite ghostwriter, A&R, CEO, record label exec. Weak artists they represent. No gimmick, no image, just a pad and pen. Everything that's coming out's all real content. No studio props or video set. Without an entourage, I'll still represent. CT stands for Connecticut. Splitting competition with precision, kill addiction. Enough verbs to pull your girl for a nice late night hitting brainwaves, cataclysmic. Other words, add a splitting third eye opener. To you to the next dimension, feel the lesson, bringing blessings. Hopefully release the tension of all my brothers with their fingers on the trigger clenching. Why point the weapon at what looks like your own reflection when the real enemy doesn't have a slight resemblance? I yell free the land, I'ma never stop the mission. All I need is a blunt, a fly ass beat. I bring the heat, smoke the track like high grade trees. Contact with your brain, synapse on free. Funckshaun on the mic, the F-U-N-C. All I need is a blunt, a fly ass beat. I bring the heat, smoke the track like high grade trees. Contact with your brain, synapse on free. Funckshaun on the mic, the F-U-N-C.